Say hi.
Hi.
Say I love you.
I
Say I love you. Say I love you. I love you. I love you. Say I love you. Good job.
Yay! Getting her down now.
Alright. Okay. Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Good job. Can you blow a kiss? Alright.
What does the sound of the pig make?
What does a pig say? There you go.
What does a cow say? What does a sheep say?
Ba.
Ba.
Where's your elbow?
Papa.
Here, where's your elbow?
Papa.
Elbow?
Papa.
Elbow. Say I love you.
I love you.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say trick or treat.
Hi.
Hi.
My camera fall?
Say trick or treat. Uh-oh, here he comes. Say trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Hi.
Hi.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Hello.
I love you. Are you a frog? You say ribbit, ribbit? Happy Halloween 2009. Fisher's a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. He and Schmooze are waiting for trick-or-treaters. Okay, that's about it. Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. Blow kisses? Good job.